Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I show you how to install YouTube app on your Windows PC, as YouTube is one of the most popular sites for consuming and sharing video content. It provides an endless stream of entertainment, knowledge, resources, and creative inspiration to its billions of users every day. Generally, you would have to open your browser and type the YouTube URL to access the website. But with this method, you can click on the YouTube app icon to access directly. The best thing is that the official YouTube app for PC has all familiar features and options that you would expect from the YouTube website. Moreover, it has all the normal customization options and supports dark mode. And the steps are very simple. First, open Chrome web browser and go to the YouTube site. After loading the website, look at the address bar, and you will find the Install Web Application icon. This icon looks like a computer icon with a down arrow overlay. Click or tap on the Install Web Application icon. After that, click on the Install button. After that, the official YouTube application will be installed immediately on your computer. And once installed, the application will open automatically. After installing the YouTube application on the Windows operating system, you will find that the application has a shortcut icon on the desktop, and you can pin it to the taskbar. After that, you can access YouTube with one click on the application from the desktop. With simple steps, I installed the YouTube application. I hope the video will be useful to you, and I thank you for watching. And I also hope to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.